fact that the VDPs were effective tools and weapons with which civil society had used in the past in combating crimes, bootlegging, and other social evils. Today, the thinking in the government is that we need to revive, reorganize, rejuvenate the participation of civil society so that we will be in a position to overcome this menace. There is a saying that where a small mind sees problems, a great mind sees opportunities. And today we see this as an opportunity for civil society to come together, fight and take on this menace. But we would like us to be transformers of change and transformers of positivity.